Hello, I'm Rochelle, and this is the Genuine Realtor Show, which airs every Friday. As the weather starts to warm up and the outdoors are calling to you, hit your productivity stride as you fill up on vitamin D while tackling some essential seasonal home maintenance. Ready? Let's go. One of the most important things you can do to protect your asset is to keep up the maintenance. It helps you extend the longevity of your systems, improves the health of the people who live there, and it allows you to spot issues before they become expensive problems. I'm covering 5 of the biggies, but you should definitely check out my ultimate spring maintenance checklist for condos or freeholds, which are conveniently linked below. All right, let's dive in. First and foremost, clean out and investigate your gutters. Water is your home's arch nemesis, and your eaves trough system is the star player in preventing its ingress. So get out the ladder or call someone in to clean out the gunk and check to make sure everything is functioning properly, aka no leaks and it's draining ideally 6 feet away from your home. While you're up there, do a visual check on your roof. Look for any missing or loose shingles, and if they're getting to the end of their lifespan, be sure to have someone out to take a look. Second, get those windows squeaky clean. Give them a good wash to let the sunshine in, but also take a look at the caulking to ensure it's all still there with no cracks, and recaulk as needed. Wash your screens and take a good look to ensure there are no holes in need of repair. The goal should be fresh air coming in and not so much the bugs. Third, get that air quality up by changing the filter in your furnace. This is one of the best and easiest things you can do for indoor air quality and therefore your overall health. While we're talking HVAC systems, I encourage you to have someone out to service your AC unit. One of the easiest ways to prolong the life of your air conditioner is to actually maintain it. Don't wait until it's no longer blowing cold air. Make it a regular thing to keep it running efficiently. While we're at it, you'll want to adjust your humidifier to somewhere between 35 to 40% for spring. The moisture in the air is the biggest threat to your indoor air quality. Both too high and too low of a setting can seriously affect your health and the value of your home. If you don't have a humidifier, you may want to consider one simply because of the extremes we experience in weather. Fourth on the list, test your sump pump. If you don't have one, you can skip this, but if you do have one and your sump pump malfunctions, you could be in for a flooded basement. Test it out by dumping a bucket of water in until the buoy activates the pump. Watch to make sure the water is pumped all the way out and not dropped back in when the pump shuts off. If you find it runs often, seriously consider installing a backup battery to protect you during power outages. Last for today is to pop up into your attic for a routine checkup. Look for signs of mold, vents that have detached. Check on your insulation levels and look for signs of critters who are possibly making your attic their new home. If you're finding evidence of anything I just mentioned, call in someone who can provide professional advice on how to remedy the issue. If you need some suggestions for who to contact, don't hesitate to reach out. So these are the bare minimum of things you should be maintaining on your home this spring. Make a day of it or tackle it one job at a time, but remember, your investment is long game and this is just a part of helping your equity grow. Please don't forget to grab the full list so you can make the most of your investment and protect your health. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, keep it genuine.